Hello, lovelies. This is Mariam, and we are back again with another super recipe. Today, we are making soya beans kebab. Now, let's get started. This is my soya beans, and it's nicely clean. So, I transfer that into a bowl, and then I add water to it. We are going to soak our beans overnight. So, I'll cover it and then leave it to rest till the next day. Hello there. It's the next day. I add water to it, and then I give it a rinse. Then I drain the water out. Now we'll go ahead and then scoop a reasonable amount of the soya beans into a blender. I add potable water to it, and then I go ahead blend this till smooth. Now I transfer my blended soya beans into a bowl. Here I rinse my blender, add the water to the blended soya beans. Using a chiffon cloth, I'm going to strain the blended soya beans to get soy milk. So I transfer the soya milk into a cooking pot. After that, I'll bring it to heat. Then we go ahead and stir this continuously. Don't just bring your milk to heat and then leave it like that. Stir it for some time and then you take a rest. But you have to be very watchful, because when it starts to boil, it can boil over. So here I come in quickly and then I stir. Now it's time to add our coagulant, and I'm using white vinegar. You can also use lemon juice, lime juice, or fermented condo water, okay? But I prefer to use white vinegar. Now give it a gentle stir. Please don't stir the milk as if you have a problem with the milk. Just a gentle one so that the vinegar gets everywhere. Now watch this carefully. When it starts to boil, time it. Let it boil for about a minute or two, and then you can see that the water has started separating itself from the curd. That is awesome. So when it boils for about 2 minutes, turn off the heat and then cover. Let it rest for at least 3 minutes. Is okay. Now it's 3 minutes, guys. It's time to check. Look at this carefully. The water has finally separated itself from the curd. This is beautiful, and everybody can do this at home. Very simple. You saw it yourself. Now get another chiffon cloth or cheesecloth, and then we scoop the curd onto the cloth. Here I squeeze to get some of the water out. It's still hot, but please try to work with it while still hot. Now I tie it tightly, and then I place a plate at the bottom, put the cheese on it, and then get a heavy object, place it on the cheese. We are going to allow it to rest for at least 2 hours. It's 2 hours, guys, and at this point all the water is drained out. What you are seeing here is pure cheese. This is soy cheese, pure one, no water. Now we'll go ahead, slice it, and then cut into our preferred sizes. So this is how our cheese looks now, and this is beautiful. I love it. In a bowl I pour in water. To that I add salt. I also add turmeric, and then I stir all together. We are going to marinate our soy cheese. Then I drop in the cheese. I'll cover with a plastic bag and then allow it to rest for 30 minutes, okay? It's 30 minutes, guys. At this point, we can go ahead and fry this. I already have my oil on fire and it's well heated, so I drop in the cheese. I'm doing this on medium heat, okay? To know that your soy cheese is well dried, when it starts to feel dried, that means that it's ready to be removed from the oil, and mine feels dried now, so I'll go ahead and remove those from the oil. Hello there, if you're new here, you are highly welcome, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for the love and thank you for always coming back. I love you guys so very much. Ta-da! Our kebab is ready. Crunchy on the outside and then moist inside. And I pair this with onions and suya spice. This is an excellent combo. Hope you're going to try your hands on it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed. Bye bye.